Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise simulation training 1. Okay, Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise 1 simulation training. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course deal on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So we will go to my lab at Pearson. Then we will go to Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise 1 simulation training. Then we will open our training. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, all Microsoft Word. If you need help in any course, you can contact me. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all cumulative assessments, simulation exam, capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. So we will open Pearson. And please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Management, and many more online courses. Okay, this training is loading now. First, we will click on Launch button. This training has 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Question number 1. Click cell B2. Click the name box. Type purchase price and press enter. Simply we will click on cell B2. Okay. Then we will click the name box. Okay, we will type purchase price. And press enter. So click cell B3, click the name box, type down payment and press enter. Click cell B3 and we will type down payment. Down payment and press enter. So create range name for cell B9, B10, B11, B12 and B13 based on the names located in cell A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. Okay, create range names on cell B9, B10, B11, B12 and B13 and based on the names located in cell A9, A10, A11 and A13. Okay, we will go to the formulas tab in the define names group. Click on create from selection. We will click on left column checkbox and click on OK button. So the next question is question number 2. Use the name manager to delete the monthly payment name range. Okay, we will go to the formulas tab in the define names group. Click on name manager button. So we will select monthly payment name range. Okay, where is monthly payment name range? We will select this range name and we will delete this range name from the range. Okay, added the name range down payment to down payment. So we will again go to formulas tab in the define names group. Click on name manager button. So we will added the down payment. Select down payment. So we will click on edit button. We will edit this down payment to down dash payment. Down slash payment dash payment, sorry, and click on OK button. So this is done. Now the next point, edit the name range purchase price to purchase price, purchase dash price. Okay, again we will go to the formulas tab in the define names group. Click on name manager button and we will select purchase price, and so we will click on edit button. We will edit purchase price to purchase dash price. So we'll click on OK button. Okay, close this. Question is done. You can see I have done 2 questions out of 4 questions. I just show you 50% of this training in my video right now. Replace the cell references in the PMD function located in cell B12 with the appropriate name range. Okay, replace the cell references. Okay, we will click on cell B12, enter dollar sign. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, this is good. You can see I have done 3 questions out of 4 questions. It's mean I have done 90% of this training in my video. If you want to deal for this complete MyLab Pearson course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. I will handle your complete course, all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and all Microsoft Word with A plus grade. And reach me out for your other courses have like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, MyLab Management, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp or email and you can contact me directly on my WhatsApp and we will deal for this complete course. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do each and everything myself. All simulation training, all simulation exam or cumulative assessment, capstone assessment and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.